All right, fifth graders, for this assignment, you are going to compare and contrast two characters in the stories that you've read. So the first character is Hannah from the tryout. Here's the book so you can go back and look. So we have Hannah from the tryout, and then we have Aki from The Star in the Strawberry Patch. Now, one thing I want to point out is that please try to focus on the qualities they have that are the same and different. So not just things like they're both girls, okay? Think more about their personalities, things that are harder to see. What are they like? Not just the physical characteristics about them. Now, if you need to put a physical characteristic in each, like where Aki is from or what sport Hannah plays as one of them, fine. But please try to at least have two in the different and one in the same that are more deeper qualities. Like if I look at this story and I think, okay, Hannah showed up. She was very determined. She was determined to prove something that she could play football too. Okay, so that's a quality about her, not just a physical, what she looks like. It tells me that Aki was a fast berry picker, nimble. So nimble is that, like not clumsy. So she was hardworking, right? If she was a fast berry picker working with her mother in the field, then that tells me, okay, she's hardworking. So think of things more like that and not, again, just like girls play sports. Like try and come up with some things that are a little bit deeper, if possible. If you need to put some of those physical characteristics because you can't think of anything else, you can do one or two of those, but try to limit it if possible. I think that's it. Just do your best. Go back and reread or re-listen to the stories if you need, and think about what is the same and what is different between these two girls. Good luck.